So I like going closer because of under eye bag. Some acne are hereditary. Like my own acne, it is hereditary. Besides, acne or pimples does not send you, even if you're a skincare therapist or a skincare doctor. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is HBF Organic Beauty. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about pimples. I want to talk about acne, how you can take care of your acne face, how you can take care of your pimples. Before I go into today's topic, please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell below. That bell below, turn it on so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And please guys, kindly go and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. It's my family channel. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, support my kiddies, know more about me in that channel, my lifestyle and other DIYs that I will not be bringing to this channel, because so many DIY will be done on that channel. So please kindly do subscribe to that channel, support that channel. So to subscribe, check in my description box below. You will see the link to my lifestyle and family channel. So kindly please do subscribe. Yeah, so let's go into today's talk. Now, when it comes to acne can be gotten through different forms. Some acne are hereditary. Like my own acne, it is hereditary. The woman that gave birth to me, she's the acne type. So I feel my own acne is hereditary. Yes, it is in my lineage, it is in my bloodline already. So it's very possible that any of my daughter, any of my girls too can be the acne type like me. Yeah, that is very much possible. Now, some acnes are due to probably soap reaction, cream reaction, or in general, let me say, due to skincare product reaction. So then if you're the type that you have this acne in you, it is something that is inherited. There are ways you can control this acne. There are ways I control my acne. So for the fact that I'm a skincare therapist does not mean that I cannot have acne or pimples. Besides, acne or pimples does not send you, even if you're a skincare therapist or a skincare doctor. But because I know how to control my acne, I know when the acne comes out more, I know when I control it, so I know how to go about my own acne. If I want to see my monthly cycles, most of the time I get acne. A week to my cycle, you start seeing big acne, and the kind of acne I get at the boy, I have one on my face here. Look at this mark on my face. Yeah, this scar on my face is acne scar. Yeah, but I realized one thing, that when I want to see my period, I try to lessen intake of anything that contains much sugar. Let me say a week to my period. So by doing that, I don't have much menstrual cramps, or I don't have much acne to battle with during my monthly cycle. So if you know how you can tackle with all this, you will be able to know how you can control the appearance of acne on your face. Like right now, I'm having some little acne. Yeah, it's not that obvious, but I just have a way. I have a special way I take care of this acne, that even in 4 days they all dry up. Yeah, in 4 days the acne dries up. So I want to show you guys how you can really take care of this acne. So watch out and watch me take care of my acne. So I just want to do this routine this morning before I have my bath, show you guys the way I take care of my acne. And stay tuned, please don't go away. Watch this video to the end, because I'll be showing you the product I use, and at the same time I'll be making a facial mask that you can easily make at home yourself. That is very effective for drying up acne. It also clears off the scar, yeah, the spots. It also clears off acne spots, and also it heals any swollen acne. So the first thing I do when I want to apply my face mask, I try to wash off my face with my lightning black soap. So here's my lightning black soap. This is actually my product, my handmade product. This is a lightning black soap. I did not say it's a bleaching soap, and I did not say it's a whitening soap. It is a lightning black soap, 100% natural. It contains natural oils, it contains natural lightening powders for lightening up your skin. It also contains every good nutrients that your skin needs. This soap does not maintain bleached skin, but this soap is a soap that will maintain your natural color and give you that natural light tone. It will tone up your skin. So this is the soap I use, and I love this soap so much. So this soap also cures my acne. Anytime I have acne, my face is wet already, so please do not forget to wet your face a little. So anytime I have acne, I just wet my face, take a little of this soap, and I massage where I have acne. Remember, I have a acne here. I just massage my face for 60 seconds. I massage my face for 1 minute. Please, I did not say you should leave it on. Massage into your face for 1 minute. So if you want to see the benefits of your herbal soap, you have to massage into the skin. It's not like you just apply and wash off immediately. No, your skin will not absorb any benefits of that soap. So you have to massage into your face for 60 seconds. Alright guys, so that's it. I've washed my face. So I'll be showing you how you can make your own face mask. I have my own face mask I sell, but I don't want to use that. I want this to be like a review and a DIY. So I'll walk you down to show you how you can make your own face mask at home. Alright guys, let's go there. Face mask thing on point. So here's my bowl for making my face mask. This is hibiscus powder. So I've added in my hibiscus powder. This is my neem powder. This is my goat's milk powder. So I'm going to be telling you all the functions and benefits of this herbal powder and the milk I added in here. The neem powder I added in here will fight my acne, my pimples. Yeah, it will fade off dark spots. Also, the hibiscus powder I added in here will lighten up or brighten up my acne scars. It's also good for acne. Yeah, and also it is a great antioxidant. It is highly packed with vitamin C. Then the goat milk powder I added here is packed with alpha hydroxy acid, that is AHA. It contains AHA and is very also good for skin brightening. It suits the skin. So I'm gonna be adding in my rose water here. You can actually use in ordinary water, but most times when I have rose water, I use my rose water. You can also use in palm oil. You can also use your honey. Yeah, you can use your honey. You can use your palm oil. You can use your honey. So, but I'm using my rose water. Yeah, I need more of my rose water here. So you go in and apply your face wax. Yeah, I love everything natural, because you know why? My old age will be a beautiful one. Yeah, even at my old age I will still look beautiful. I know that. Yeah, ever since I stopped applying pro mix products, fine, I don't used to be white like I used to, but I love my skin. I love my skin. My skin look healthy. Yeah, so healthy, man. So guys, I'm going to wait so that this will dry on my face, then I will wash off, then come back to you guys. So stay tuned. So here is my face. The mask is dried now. Yeah, it's dried now, so I will go and wash those marks off. You can see it's dry, so I'll go and wash off and come back. So I've washed up my face, just to make sure my face is properly washed. I'll work in my soap again. My soap, yeah, so I'll work in my soap again. So when I applied that mask and the mask got dried on my face, as at that moment I was having a little tingling effect, just little tingling. Yeah, so right now that I'm applying my herbal soap, I'm feeling all the herbs in that soap, the herbs on my face right now. Like, you know, my face is very, very clean. My face is very, very clean right now. So the soap, the other herbal properties benefiting this soap is penetrating into my skin, because all my pores are open right now. That is why it's always good for you to, you know, mask your face, scrub your face. I had to apply my lightning black soap to just wash off any residue on my face that my face mask might have left behind. Right now my face is feeling so fresh. I'm feeling so good. So instantly the acne that got swollen, you know, it has gone down. It's not as swollen as before again. Can you see the acne? It's not as swollen as before again. All these ones now, don't worry, before tomorrow everything will disappear. So for you to start this routine, the first thing you need to do is for you to scrub your face. I did not scrub my face when I started, because I actually scrubbed the whole of my body yesterday and I scrubbed my face. So I can't be scrubbing every day, because I scrub 3 times or 2 times in a week. So first thing you have to do is for you to scrub your face. After you scrub your face, you wash off the scrub. So after you wash off the scrub, then you go in with your soap. While your face is wet, you don't need to clean your face. You go in with your soap, then massage your soap into your face for 1 minute or 60 seconds. Then you wash off. The next thing, you go in for your face mask. Apply your face mask and leave it for like, I left it for like 15 minutes. Irregardless of the time, make sure you wash off when the mask has dried onto your face. You know, so after the masks have dried, you wash it off. So when you wash off, what I do again is that I go in and just apply my soap to just make sure I wash off the residue that the marks might have left behind. So after that, yeah, I've done those steps. So the next thing I like to do is that I just apply in my dark spot corrector, which clears acne scars. Also, it's you know, brighten up the face. Yeah, it's a lightening face cream. It's brighten up the face and clears acne scar. It's also 100% organic. So here is my dark spot corrector. So I just go in and apply my dark spot corrector. And that's all. I'm done. So I like applying in my face cream or my body cream when my skin is damp. That is when there's still water on my skin, so it makes that cream to absorb into my skin. So guys, this is the way I take care of my acne. This is the way I take care of my pimples, especially for you, the pimples type, or if you're reacting to any skin care products. This is the way to go about it. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to run to second YouTube channel to go and subscribe to my family channel, because in that channel I'm gonna be talking more on business, you know, as an entrepreneur. How can you run your business? We're gonna be doing so many things on that channel. That channel is the channel for everything, guys. You know, this channel is strictly for skincare. That one is for everything. You get to know the 2 good things I do for living. All right guys, thank you very much. Please don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Stay safe, stay well. Bye.